Hi, it's Gordon, fat old print guy, and it's arrived, my Bambu Lab A1 mini combo. I had wanted to get the A1, but it's completely out of stock until sometime in January. So since I'm dipping my toe in the water with printing, I thought I'll get the mini, and if I really like it, if I think I'm going to use it, I'll upgrade to the A1 at the beginning of next year. So let's just get straight into it. Let's unbook it. I want to try and set this up and get printing, and I'm going to time myself. It's 6 o'clock just now. Let's see how it goes. We'll get it on the floor. And I'm filming from up here as well. So this is the kit that includes the printer itself and the AMS standing for Automated Material System. Basically what it gives you is the ability to have 4 colours at once, allowing for either spare cartridges to be on or for multi-colour prints. So as you can see, we have the bag on top, and it's sealed for some reason. Oh, very strangely packed. This is annoying. So it looks like this comes out. This will be the AMS. What I'll do is I'll just unpack it and put everything on this desk first. This is the base for the AMS. Lots and lots of packaging. And then this comes out. And that's everything. So it's a neat little, it's definitely a neat little printer. Obviously the big difference between the A1 and the A1 Mini is the size of this build plate. This is 180 by 180, 180, whereas the A1 is 256 by 256 by 256. So it's quite considerably smaller, but that's okay. So what I'll do is I'll start unpacking that. I'll maybe move this camera so that I can get a top-down view. Okay, so everything unpacked, and I'm just looking through. First says remove the 4 screws to unlock the Z limiter. That looks like it's at the back. Yes. I'd forgotten to press record, so this was recording. So I'm just setting things up. I'm removing this, then I'm cutting this here. Okay. Remove the screws, cut the zip tie, remove the foam padding. It's here. Okay, then it's tighten the 3 screws circled in green. Now what way around is this? It looks like it's that way. Don't understand what it's asking me to do. I don't understand. Is it these 3? Tighten the 3 screws. think think that's it tightened. Okay. Slide the purge wiper unit into the slot at the end of the x-axis. I'm struggling to make sense of the... like this. Okay. Install the screw from the accessory box. M3 screw for purge wiper. Okay. So next thing is to install the spool holder, but because I'm using the AMS I won't bother with that. So it's to set up the AMS. So it's this. Guess I need to take all these off. And the cable on this side, so it was down here. And then it's 4 screws for the AMS. Okay, and then installing these, and these are all, by the looks of things, all colour coded. Yes, so we have slide all the way in, being careful to match colours. Then sits here for all intents and purposes, and this sits here. This will plug in, I guess, here, I guess. So we're now putting in these tubes. Oh, okay, so you have 2 long ones and 2 short ones. And the 2 short ones are going from this side to insert the 580p to port 1 and 2. Okay, so I'm guessing it's just here. And these ones. And then we have this little beast. Right, so this goes here. And you put this in the back cable, and then that's a bit of cable management. Okay, so that connected, we plug this into the cable side. I'm not installing any spools yet. Turn the power on. Help if I plugged it in. Turn the power on. And then it says, follow the instructions until you see this screen. Start. Okay, so we'll go English. Press Dutch. English. Region Europe. Connect to Wi-Fi. This, okay. We'll select Wi-Fi. GR network. This is a bit small. Jeez, this is small. Wow, this is hard. Use the Bambu Handy app and log in. Log into account. Where is my Handy app? Okay, confirm to bind. Login successful. Okay, so I'm going to do all the tests. I'll move this out of the way. And you'll be able to see more closely what it's doing. And you'll still be able to see me. So I'm pressing. Now, so it's going to now go through all the tests. I'll stop recording here, and we'll just watch it do its thing. So it's now doing the mechanical resonance for vibration. I'll just let you hear. It's vibrating so fast. You can't even see the head moving, but it is vibrating. It's got at 66 Hertz. That's fast. It's now up at 197 Hertz. So what it's doing now is it's actually measuring the bed and adjusting the bed height, and that's the little thing that cleans the nozzle. It's incredible that it's actually bringing the head down to touch the bed to sense the level. And I shall put them on. But basically, you look at the way it's rotated and you pop it onto here. So push it on, click, push it in. Ah, there you go. Let's take it up. Oh, cool. And I'll do the same with the white. And it's read it as blue for some reason. How does it know that? Pops in here. Now this goes up here. It grabs a hold of it. Taking it up. Go all the way. Gets to here. So it doesn't go all the way, but it has loaded it as white. This is very clever. I'm not really sure I know how it's doing it, but grabs a hold of it. Got it. That's it, all three colours loaded. So you can see I've got black in 1, white is 2, blue is 3, red is 4, and that's exactly what it says on the display. Very impressed how that knows that. And then I can actually set up project files. I just want to see what some of these options are. So settings, device, how much space I've got, print options, sounds, camera options. Oh, so I have a little camera. I think there's a little camera here. Yeah, so it'll record the time lapse automatically. AMS options, read on startup. Let's put that on. Print options. So control. It's got the temperature, the bed temperature. Then I can actually pick a print file. So my options are the Benchy, which is a little boat, speedboat, coloured Benchy, bag clip, bed scraper, panda, pocket copter, swatch display board, whistle. I'm going to print off the little boat, but I'm going to wait till my Osmo Pocket is ready. I'm charging it up and I'm going to use it to film a time lapse. I'm going to pick the boat and I'll start recording. I'll record a time lapse. I'll leave this camera. I'll go and have a bath. I'm not sure how long it'll take, and we'll see how it goes. Let's see what happens. Print files. Uses AMS. Oh, apparently this only takes 20 minutes. I'll change my time lapse setting. Use AMS. Dynamic flow. Next. PLA 2 white. So I'm ready to print. So I'll get this ready to go. Press record. Press record. Press print. Funny noise. I guess things have to heat up. By the way, this little box here is for waste. The printer gets rid of waste every now and then. You'll see it once it starts to actually go, and I'll print a waste bucket for it, but right now this will have to do. I don't know what it's doing. I guess it's heating things up. I'll stop the time lapse just now where it's not actually going. 216, 220. Whoa, here we go. It's going in. You can see it starting to turn. You'll probably see some filament come out in a second. There you go, there's some filament coming out. So it extrudes a bit, and then it dumps that to the side. No errors. What's it doing? Oh, it's kicked it out and it landed on the table. I'll put that way then. Damn it. And here we go. Cleans the head. Tests the bed. Cleans the head. So does it do the bed leveling? It must do the bed leveling every time, which is a bit annoying. So that's the first test print going, and I have to say, it's printing a lot faster than I thought it would. Well, I'll leave it for 20 minutes and I'll show you the result when it's finished. Now, I'm not sure how you take this off. It's hot. Okay, so you can see some layer lines. Quality. I'm quite pleased with that. What I'm going to do is set up the colour print. So I'm going to set up the 2-colour print now. Let's do Panda. 10 hours, no thank you. So I'm going to print this. I will do another time lapse. This is going to take half an hour and we'll see how it goes. Hi, fat old 3D print guy. I got so excited about this new printer that I printed loads of stuff and forgot to record any of it. So I did the multicolour benchy, which looks fantastic, and then I printed off the poop box, or the waste box, which I was absolutely gobsmacked at the quality of it. Bit of a spoiler alert, it didn't take me long to realise I wanted the bigger printer, so I waited for it to come into stock and I ordered that. My assessment of this printer is it is phenomenal. I think as a first 3D printer it is unrivaled. If you're looking for a recommendation, this is it. Over the following few days, I printed lots of stuff and I filmed some of that, and so I'll be posting a video soon on some of the other things I printed for it. Over the next few videos, I'll be introducing the A1. I'll be talking about some of the things I've printed for it. I've started some design work on Fusion to model my own stuff, and all of that's coming on the channel. If you want to follow my journey through this incredible hobby of 3D printing, and you're not subscribed, then don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that YouTube tells you when I post a new video. I've been Gordon, Fat Old 3D Print Guy. I'll see you in the next video.